Is it recording? It is. So we have made it to our house, and I thought I'd give you guys a little tour of it. They just got the sheetrock in. Sheetrock? Yeah, I think it's called sheetrock. Yeah. Anyways, well, let's just go look at our house. They got all our windows. Oh, there's a sliding glass door. That's cool. Alrighty. There's a door there and a window. Although if I was to build a house again, I wouldn't do that. There's a little nook.
So this is like a dining area?
Yeah, that's a dining area.
It's just. I like that your dining area is over here and not over here.
Yeah, I like that too. Hey, Oliver, you have to. And then here's our outside.
I like how it's covered.
Yeah, I bought that. I'll have a light.
Yeah,
2 canning lights. It's our little backyard. I think it's gonna look bigger once it's all together with grass.
Yeah, you'll be able to put like a swing set.
It's way wider than it is tall.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it'll go over it there.
Oliver, are you excited for your new house?
Oh yeah!
Do you want to live here? Or not yet? No. Walk in here. This is Scott's office. If you notice, the doors are all 8-foot doors downstairs. Look how tall that door is.
Yeah, I know, they're all tall.
That was part of the package deal. Well,
Hey Oliver, you have to hold this hand because there's some open windows.
Okay, you stay right here with me.
oh, don't go near the windows. You'll fall.
Go to the window.
Hey. This is gonna be the laundry room? Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, she's a nice laundry room.
And I got a window. I bought the window.
Yeah.
I bought all the windows I could get.
Yeah, that was
Back here, this is the kids' play area. We'll probably get like a sectional
Yeah, put a TV on the wall.
TV. This is our entertainment area. We're not going to have any
Yeah.
TVs downstairs.
This is a good sized bedroom.
Oliver's bedroom. Oliver, this is your bedroom.
Oh yeah!
Oh, man. Oh, very dangerous.
Oh.
Do you like it? Okay, let's go look at Catherine's bedroom. This is Oliver's bedroom. Now let's go look at Catherine's bedroom. Don't touch it.
By the windows.
Oh, window.
That's cute.
This
Yeah, I like all the windows.
All little windows.
Yeah. Oliver, come this way. Don't go in that one. We're all done with that one.
The back here.
Oliver! You want to get hurt and go to the hospital? Come on.
No!
This is Oliver's bedroom. They have to finish it. Okay, let's go to Mommy Daddy's bedroom.
Yeah.
Going in.
Oh, Mommy,
Yeah, this is nice.
There's our shower and sinks here.
Nice.
And then our walk-in closet.
Mommy.
Okay.
These are cooktops, guys.
Oh yeah. There's our neighborhood. It'll be nice because we won't directly face the house and we'll see the trees in the background.
Yeah, I
and,
know. It's pretty.
Yeah, it's a nice neighborhood. Well, it is
Why
what it
does
is.
have this umbrella?
We've already sold and bought and whatever. Oh, we're gonna have a street lamp there. We have our porta potty. Just kidding, they're not gonna keep it there.
Oliver.
We're also gonna have a tree right out front. We're gonna get a tree. Well, this concludes our little house tour. And next time we go in, they'll probably have the cabinets in, which will be exciting. Yep. What are you doing?
It isn't been there that long.
No, we just walked through the house and came back.
Oh, well.
You guys can walk through it if you want. It's open. Hey, grass boy. How are you doing, Scott? It's Sunday. We're just out playing at the house on this beautiful day. Oh.
Hello.
Okay. You're in. Oh, you need oil?
Yes.
Or do you need gas?
Yes.
Oh, here. Let me give you some gas. Ready? Go, 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 go. Oh, good job. Got you some gas. Now you can go. Bye. There's Daddy attempting to read while everyone else is being social.
I read my check.
Julian just biffed it. Not sure what happened. This giant 6-year-old stole the baby cars. She thinks she's a baby still. And then Julian's mad because he wants it. Constant fighting.